Hello, in front of me I've got Heroes Olden Era. In this video I'll show you how to upgrade creatures. In the beginning, let's enter your city and make sure you've got upgrades of buildings for creatures. For example, let's go to construct new building. Here we've got Muse. When it's upgraded to the second level, we can upgrade our crossbows. Now, let's go to upgrade creatures, select creature you would like to upgrade, and tap this button. You can also change upgrade between Marksman and Stringer in this case, and the upgrades depend on the creature. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.